Now let's see about negative indexing in case of a two-dimensional array. Okay, so first I'll write a code in order to create a two-dimensional array. So for that we have to import NumPy module. So import NumPy as NP. Okay, now we can access the array method in a NumPy module and create a two-dimensional array. So consider A is the name of the array, is equal to np dot array of, here we can give a two-dimensional array. For example, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. This is the first row, and consider the second row as 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now let's display an element here. Print of a of 1 comma minus 1, like this. Now what is the output displayed by this particular code? Remember, this 1 is representing the row value. It means instead of accessing the 0th row, we are accessing the first row. And this is minus 1, which means negative indexing. You can see it is going to basically create a two-dimensional array like this, which has a total of 2 rows. And how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5. Total of 5 columns are there. So the elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the elements. And now let's see their location here. So this element is located at 0 0, and this element is located at 0 1. This is at 0 2, and this is at 0 3, and finally this is at 0 4. Okay, similarly the elements in the second row are accessed at 1 0 location. This is at 1 1 location. This is at 1 2 location. This is 1 3, and finally this is 1 4. Okay, so if you are trying to access from the end minus 1, it means you are going to access this particular element in the first row. So the output displayed will be 10 here in this case.